it's your girl Tisha Monique back again, and today, dolls, I wanted to just quickly share with you what's in my bag. And this is my Goyard GM, and she is a very big bag and holds so much. I love this bag, and this is the color that I have with the light tan trim. So absolutely love this bag. And today, just riding along with my husband, I was like, let me pack her up and get all my car goodies in, because we're going just to run some errands with him, so I needed a lot of my things. So in here I do have my book. This is A Funny Story by Emily Henry, and it's a cute little read. I'm about 100 pages in, and so far so good. It's just a really cute story, a love story, but kind of it's a story about a girl and a guy and how they meet based on I don't want to give too much of the story away, but based on falling in love, based on not a tragedy, but just an awkward or bad situation that they both found themselves in the same situation, and it kind of united them. So this is a good book. I love a hardback. I like a page turner to be able to turn pages, so that's why I always have like a physical book with me. I'm gonna do some editing today, dolls. I brought my MacBook Pro. I have that there so I can edit some videos for you dolls while we're driving. I have my AirPod Maxes, and then I also have my iPad because I do have a electronic book on here that I'm reading. So I have my iPad as well. I got a lot of heavy things. I have my eyeglasses in case I want to take my contacts out. I have my actual glasses in here, and these are the Tom Fords that you all see me wearing all the time. They are prescription glasses. I've had some of y'all comment on that. These are actually prescription glasses, as you can see the prescription in there. But I have my Tom Fords, you know, take my glasses out. I have my pill case with all my supplements. I'll do that once we get breakfast. I will take my supplements. I had a pair of sunglasses. I just brought these. These are from Amazon. I will link it below. Then I also have this Damier Ebene, my makeup case. This is an oldie but goodie, vintage at this point. And this, I just have all of my makeup items in here. Makeup brushes, Summer Friday lip balm for my Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Finish powder. This is in the number 2. And I use that for touch-ups. Josie Marin. This is the body butter. This is a travel size in Bohemian Fig. I've been enjoying that lately. Some eye products. I have just for my contacts, contact solution, and then some Refresh eye drops. I also have my Optase eye drops in here. And then some powder, my touch-up powder, which is the Huda Beauty. This is the Cherry Blossom Cake, which you guys know I rave about all the time. And then I have my new MAC Press powder that I love the packaging on. This is the NW58, which I use to bronze and get that blushed kind of look. But I love the new packaging from MAC. Yes, so I have that one as well. I have my Necessaire. This is my body lotion. Love this. I've been enjoying this so much. The fragrance is Santal. It's just a really pretty fragrance. This is the lip that I'm wearing today. This is the Anastasia Beverly Hills in the color Cool Brown that you all saw me haul from Ulta recently. It's such a beautiful color, kind of giving neutral, but it looks like this. And I've been enjoying that a lot. I want to pick up some more just to have. But yeah, that was good. I've got some edge booster for the edges since I have my hair back today. So I have that in here. And I think that's all for the products part. So these older bags, I just love the capacity of it. I've seen forever. This is my YSL card holder. I love this one. I have my battery pack or charger. This portable charger, which is good because it charges my phone, multiple phones, also my camera. It's kind of heavy, but it is a good little thing to have, so you can see all of the little possible uses there. And then the Goyard bag also has this built-in kind of coin pouch or little pouch here. I don't have anything in here, but you can definitely use it for change. You can put your cards in here, your credit cards and stuff in here. This is how the bag looks all the way emptied out, and I'll show you those, but my bag is so dirty on the inside. It's stained because I've had it forever, but it has a lot of ink stains and stuff in there. But it's really just a large vessel of a bag. So this one will work good with a bag divider, or you know, something that kind of separates it, so you can, you know, have a little more organization in there, a bag organizer. But you can fold the sides in on this. It doesn't have like a closure or anything like that, so this is kind of just a throw it in the bag type bag. But this is how it looks. And yeah, absolutely love this bag. We've already been to Starbucks. Today I'm drinking a grande iced chai, 5 extra pumps of chai made with almond milk, matcha cold foam, and I got extra matcha cold foam. So once it starts to kind of melt and dissolve in there, it just looks like a big matcha, but it tastes so good. And I also have just my hibiscus water that you all see me drink all the time, with the dried hibiscus leaves, lemon, blueberries, and then some strawberries from the farmer's market that we picked up last week that y'all saw us go and get. So we're headed to get breakfast at the Breakfast Club. We've already called our order in, and you dolls know this is something that we do often because the line is always so long and we're not waiting in a line to eat breakfast. So we usually will call the order in when we leave the house and they're headed to the restaurant, because it's generally like an hour wait for the to-go orders. So we've already called our order in. It's just the hubby and I today. The kids are home. So today, what's that? So today we are just getting breakfast for 2. And yeah, so I'll show you dolls what we ordered. I got the wings. I always get the fried wings and grits, eggs, and toast. And then Terry got he got the French toast, bacon and eggs, and he got a mimosa also, and potatoes. So I'll show you dolls what the food is giving. It's usually pretty good. I mean, you know, it's good. It's not just the greatest thing ever, but it's a nice little drive and we like the food. So here we are again. We're pulling up. Our order is ready at 11:50. It's 11:30. So we'll just pull up, get the food to go. Usually we'll pull over, park, eat, and then head on back to our side of town, because this is like I don't know, it's a 45-minute drive or so. So yeah, so that's what we're doing. And then not sure what we're gonna do the rest of the day, but this is just pulled up and there is a line. We were kind of thinking that maybe there wasn't a line. We were going to try to eat inside, but no, there is a line. It's wrapped around the opposite way this time. We are pulled up. We're a little bit early, but hopefully they can bring the order early if it's ready, or drop it earlier once they know that we're here, or we'll just wait the 20 minutes or so. But you know, so this is how it's looking out front. So if you dolls are in Houston or you are coming to visit, then the Breakfast Club is a place that a lot of people, tourists, come for breakfast on the weekend. So you need to get here early or get a reservation if possible, or you can get it to go if you don't want to wait in line and stuff. But it is touristy, so it's definitely one that you're not going to go straight in. I think that the line is their appeal, because I feel like they could have built out, or you know, made it a little bit bigger at this point to hold the crowds. But I think that they like having a line and stuff just for the ambiance. But anyways, girls, this is what it's going. Even when it's hurt, I can follow many times and I'm still getting hurt. Air Max, they want a boy with a London style. We ain't got generational wealth, got a couple of mil for my unborn child. If I pay man £100,000, I can get man bum right in front of a crowd. That's GBP. The price go up if it's USD. Better watch your words, I get you X by the shit you tweet. I told her bro, if it's personal, he better jump out and do it on feet. We got something in common with Scuba. This is that lip, guys. Love the way it looks. It's so pretty. I have a tiny mic. This is my son's mic. I always like to see the girls with the tiny mics, so I said I'm gonna use the tiny mic today and see if it makes a difference. But honestly, it's not making that big of a difference. I'm about to clean up my area. We are supposed to go to the movies later to either see Final Destination or Sinners. So I kind of want to let my hair down and change. I think I'm gonna wear my Nike sweatsuit that you all saw me haul from JD Sports and my new Jordans. Am I wearing the full unit? I might be. And yeah, so I'm just about to chill for a little bit. I'm not feeling this little bun, so I'm gonna take it down, maybe let my hair down, and we will go from there. But yes, dolls, I'm gonna edit my video that I've been trying to get up for you dolls. It's a Saturday. I wanted to get it up today, but I'm gonna try for tomorrow, you know, as long as it gets up. And yes, so that's where we are at with it, dolls, and I will chat back with y'all in a bit. But I really like this outfit today. It's so comfortable. This is that same blue jean outfit from Zara. I'll pop up the information again, but it's so cute, so comfortable. Today I have it top open with the jeans and this little black tank from Zara under it, and finally wore the black Zara sandals with it, which is cute. It's just really comfortable. So I'm gonna change out of this, and if we're going back out to the movies, get into my sweats. And yes, that's what I like about your wardrobe, is creating versatile pieces, things that you can wear as separates, as sets, and then kind of mix and match it with other items. So I love that. I love the way this sucks in as far as this bodysuit. The pants are really nice, and you can just tell it's high quality. I also picked up some more denim from Zara here recently, and I will show you dolls that as well. Let me hold it up for you. In there, wasn't planning to get anything, but got a little Zara haul. These are the shoes that you dolls know, or you may know, I've been trying to return these or exchange them because they're too small, and I just missed the return window on them. But they're not bad shoes. I just wish that they were my actual size so that I could be wearing them. But they are these little kind of kitten heel-ish pumps. Anyways, it's got this little bitty heel. They're super cute. I got these to wear with jeans, and I got a size 40, but I probably need a 41 or a 42 just to size up. What is a 40? A 40 is a 9, so I would have needed a 41. So I guess these run small because a 9 is what I thought would have fit. And anyways, when I put them on, they're a little short. So yeah, so I haven't been able to return these, or I'm not gonna be able to return them because I missed the return window. So I'm gonna try to wear these with jeans and just let it do what it do. And then here is what I actually hauled. And I was gonna wear this to work Thursday, but I didn't end up feeling like jazzing it up. But I got it for Thursdays for work. It's this blue jean two-piece outfit, and it's just such a beautiful denim. These were $60, $59.90. But I really loved the button detail on the waist. The only thing I didn't like about it is no pockets, but I'll insert, did I record this? I don't think I recorded this, but I'll show you dolls how it looks. But it's a wide leg bell bottom, like the whole pant leg is the same size all the way down, which is wide. So I love that. No pockets in the back, a flat pocket, flat back. I guess that's how you say it, but very, very nice quality denim, heavy denim. But you could wear these separate, or when I saw the top, I had seen the top before and I loved the top. Then when I saw that they had jeans with it too, I was like, oh yeah, definitely got to get it as a set. And this is the top. I can actually put this on so you guys can see how it looks. But I really loved the shoulder detail on this. I like the puffy sleeve, and I think I pulled it up in the store so that it was like that, and then just buttoned all the way down. I like just the detail of it. It just looks really expensive. The quality is nice on it, and just that shoulder detail, the sleeves. I would wear this buttoned up, and then with the jean. I don't know why I'm being too lazy to try these on for y'all. Should I try this on? I don't know why I hate trying stuff on camera so bad. I gotta get past that, huh? Because that is not good. But this is the top. And then it's just a really pretty shirt on. I like it a lot. And then the pants, it just gives full set. The wide leg pant. But yeah, absolutely love this look. It's really pretty. I like the color of the denim too. I think it's just like a very blue denim, and it just looks really nice. So yeah, that is the set, and I picked that up, so I'm gonna hang that up. Like I said, go chill for a little bit. We're watching Friends, Your Friends and Neighbor. I've already seen the full series. Terry keeps falling asleep on it, so I'm gonna watch it with him. And these shades are from Amazon. If I hadn't said that, but you dolls probably know that. I will try to remember to link them below. Yeah. Hey dolls, back at it. We are headed to the movies. My husband wants to see Sinners, because you guys remember when I went to see Sinners before I went by myself. It was a solo date. So we are getting ready to head to the movies for 6:45. So right now it's 6 o'clock. I'm trying to decide if I want to change, not change, if I want to do my hair differently, if I want to let my hair down, or if I'm going to leave it in this little bun, girl. So I'm definitely wearing my Nike sweatsuit because the opportunity is presenting itself. So I'm like, I definitely want to wear my new sweatsuit. And I don't know if I probably am wearing my new Jordans with it. The ones that I told y'all that remind me of Travis Scott. So anyways, it's a fashion opportunity. It's a fashion moment, and I'm here for it. So I'm just trying to decide what I want to do with my hair. So I'm thinking I may put it down for the movies, and because this is kind of tight anyways, it's bothering me on my head. So I kind of want to be done with it. I've had it in since this morning. So I'm gonna go ahead and change real quick, and then I'll come back and show you dolls what I decided to put on. It's one of my aloe suit because I just didn't feel like, you know, and I just have my hair in a slick back, and I'm just retouching my makeup, and we're gonna roll with it because I want to be comfortable, and he's already ready to go. So we really didn't have that much time, but like 5 minutes. So it's like, oh, movie starting, let's go. So here we go. My earring keeps falling out. So I just slicked my hair back as best as I could for right now. And that's it. Even though we're close to the theater, he wants to get there earlier, so we need to go. Girl, the smallest ponytail in America. Same movie outfit from before, minus the hair with the slick back. So see you guys in a bit, and I hope I don't lose my earrings. So.